2018 BMW X4 review. The 2018 BMW X4 places near the bottom of our luxury subcompact SUV rankings. Though it's one of the most athletic vehicles in the class, it doesn't have the utility that many people expect from an SUV. Is the BMW X4 a good SUV? The BMW X4 is an okay SUV. This is one of the most nimble cars in the class, and each trim features a powerful turbocharged engine. All-wheel drive comes standard. Additionally, the iDrive infotainment system is easy to use. However, the X4 falls short in areas that most SUVs excel in. It has an undersized rear seat, and the cargo hold is among the smallest in the class. Should I buy the BMW X4? You probably shouldn't buy the BMW X4. Sure, it's one of the most athletic SUVs in the class, but powerful engines and dynamic handling can be found in competitors that are also more well-rounded than the X4. Furthermore, the X4 is more expensive than many class rivals, so not only is there less to like, but you're also paying more to get it. The Porsche Macan might be even more athletic than the X4, and it has a nicer, more practical interior and a similar price tag. Another BMW, the X3, is similar to the X4, but it costs much less and has better cargo and passenger space. We did the research for you, 18 reviews analyzed. To evaluate cars, we use a formula that combines the opinions from other professional reviews with data like fuel economy, crash test results, and reliability ratings. For our 2018 BMW X4 overview, we looked at 18 other reviews. The 2018 BMW X4 is part of the SUV's first generation, which began with the 2015 model year. Since then, there have been few major changes to the X4. As a result, this review uses applicable research and data from the 2015 through 2018 model years. Why you can trust us. U.S. News & World Report has been ranking cars, trucks, and SUVs for a decade, and our Best Cars team has more than 75 years of combined experience in the automotive industry. To keep our reviews unbiased, we don't accept expensive gifts or trips from automakers. Additionally, all advertising on our site is handled by a third party. How much does the BMW X4 cost? The 2018 BMW X4 has a base price of $47,600. That's one of the highest starting prices in the class. Many class rivals have starting prices under $40,000. The higher M40i trim starts at just over $59,000, which is more than you'd pay for the higher trims of class rivals.